In this lesson, we are talking about the life cycle of the red blood cell. Stem cells in bone marrow are the producers of red blood cells. Once mature, the red blood cells enter into the circulatory system through tiny little capillaries. Once in the circulatory system, the red blood cells enter the heart to be pumped to the lungs. The lungs give oxygen to the red blood cells, where the cells can then re-enter the heart and then be pumped to the rest of the body. Now that the red blood cells are full of oxygen, they can then give that oxygen to the body's cells. They give the oxygen and exchange it for carbon dioxide that they will take back to the heart. The red blood cells then take the carbon dioxide back to the heart to be pumped to the lungs, where they can exchange the carbon dioxide for more oxygen, and the cycle just begins over and over again, taking oxygen to the body and taking carbon dioxide back to the lungs. After about 100 days, the red blood cell can no longer successfully bring oxygen to the body cells and carbon dioxide back to the lungs. So the red blood cell is then taken up by the kidneys and then eliminated from the body as waste. Now to review, the life of the red blood cells starts as stem cells in the bone marrow. It then enters the circulatory system and is pumped to the heart. And then the heart pumps it to the lungs so that it can receive oxygen. Then it returns to the heart to be pumped to the rest of the body. Then the cells of the body take the oxygen from the red blood cells and exchange it for carbon dioxide. Where the red blood cells are then pumped back to the heart to re-enter the cycle again of gaining oxygen and taking it to the body.